Hello, my crafty friends. It's Sheree. How's everyone doing today? Welcome, welcome to my craft room. So I promised you a little overview. I haven't done a little catch up on my craft room lately, so I cleaned it up for you, put away some things. I needed to do that, so this was a good motivation for me. So I'll show you where I'm at. So you've seen my craft room before. Last year at this time I was finishing up a craft room reorganization. So everything is pretty much the same. If I see anything that jumps out at me that I've added, I will tell you, but I just put things away so everything is in its place pretty much. But here I've got some sewing I need to do, 2 piles of things I need to sew. That too. Oh, there's 3 piles. Those are my strips, and those are some things that are already sewn. These are my strips that I sew, and I keep them in this little ceramic basket. So as we go around, in case you haven't seen my craft room before, I'll just kind of scan around. I'm not going to do a detailed tour because I've done that before, especially in my craft room reorganization. I will have that linked below. I do have a whole playlist on my craft room reorganization. The shelves are pretty much the same. I've added a couple of these twines I got recently, but these are my vintage sheets that I made, little kind of shabby chic little curtains, kind of decorations for my shelves there. That was done during my craft room reorganization. The dresser is pretty cleaned up. And this is a pile of my personal journaling that I need to catch up on. So I will be doing some personal journal with me's videos soon. And this is a little pile of do something with these. This is a little pile of do something with these. And because I don't want to put them away anywhere. I want to do something with them. So a few tassels that I made are hanging there that I don't have listed. My listed tassels are in another place. So yeah, everything here is pretty much the same. Artwork done by my boys. This artwork here I found on the side of the road by a trash can, out for the trash, and I picked it up. That was so pretty. Anyway, on around. And sorry, I don't mean to go so fast, but I did all this during my craft room reorganization. Got these plastic drawers. I like see-through things I've discovered. I don't have to label them. I know what's in them, but still, it kind of confirms it when I can see through them. That's a lot of ephemera up there. My other sewing machine and my windows. There's some yarn and eyelash yarn down in there, and a rag that I took apart some pieces from that. This is some ribbon that I don't know what to do with, so I have it right here. Haven't found a good spot for it, so it's just sitting in this box, nice and neat. And that recent waxed cord that I picked up that was from Global Land, I believe. My organization cart. So yeah, this has worked really well for me to keep so here's my table with my current project I'm getting ready to work on, a Valentine journal. I've got some things out there to get ready to work on that. And that's what this top tray is for here. I have another collection kit for Valentine in there. The second tray is for 2 journals that I've started. Actually, I put a couple more in there. I think they're vintage journals, so those are going to be vintage journals. The bottom tray is full of things for like children's book journals. So I need to work on those. And then on around, I'll show you my closet too. I've been keeping that clean. It's been really nice since I reorganized everything. This artwork here is done by my daughter-in-law. She was going to get rid of it. She had it, I think, in a pile to go to Goodwill. I said, I don't think so. You can put that right in my craft room. I'll find a spot for it. So there it is. Anyway, on around. So if you have any questions, let me know. I'm just doing a little update here. That's my little heater on the floor over there, and my, what is that? My little vacuum, my rechargeable vacuum. Keeping things organized on the back of my door there. So yeah, my table, which you already saw. So I'll show you my closet real quick. Everything in here is for my craft room. I have my computer in the other room, so I don't have that, taking up space in here. And my closet, which I am keeping clean and organized. My punches are here. And then some rickrack and different seam bindings and things like that here. And one of these back of the door organizers. And y'all have seen my closet before, but I'll go do a quick scan. Just keeping everything organized and the way you saw it the last time you saw it. That's my Christmas right there. That very high pile, see, it's the highest pile. It's the top shelf. Just some things, and then Christmas, and that's Halloween all around to this wall. And so, if you saw it last year, it kind of looks the same. So I added one bin for Christmas, one more bin this year, which I showed you in my organization video. And that is pretty much it. So I hope you enjoyed the little update. If you saw something that you have a question about, let me know in the comments. But yeah, I've enjoyed the way I have it now. And it makes it easy. Everything has a place except for those ribbons right there. But they have a temporary place. And then when I find another better place for them, I will put them there. But as you can see, got it all cleaned up, ready to tackle this next project. And there you go. That is it. I hope you enjoyed. I'll see you in my next video. Happy New Year. And I will see you then.